Hello all, you might remember these ones. A video I made before where I showed how I reused these sun-bleached cushions and I made a sunbed cover from it. They served for a season and I now bought a new one. But I still don't want to give up on these, so I am going to see what I can salvage from them by using my imagination. Inspired by Buffy, I have cut off this part. I have studied the seams, so it's kind of close, not completely, but I will solve that by folding this back and gluing it on. So you have a determined cushion and it could serve on the seat of, because I left on the threads, on the seat of a chair, but I think Buffy would like to have it as a cushion to lay on also, so I will have two of those. Then to the rest, I could peel off the cover until here. This is sewn on, so I have to break those stitches and see how it works on further. If you have use for stuff like this, you could also use the filling for other projects. Oh, and what I used was a good pair of scissors, and I don't know how it is in English, but it's for cutting through stitches. And as you can see, this is inside out. The inside of the material has the same pattern as the outside, but is, of course, not touched by the sun. So I have to remove these threads and then I have some nice material. And on the inside also is still this band, which is adjustable. So I am going to salvage that also. So what we have from one cushion is a cushion which we repair a little bit and serves as cushion for seats of chairs and maybe a cushion for a cat. The filling, which can be used for other products, and material. In this case, the inside works out perfectly fine and is nice material, and the band, which is adjustable, maybe for a shoulder bag, a shopping bag, a beach bag kind of bag. And Buffy approves. She likes it more than her old cushion, so it's a nice reuse. Nice, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Nice. Yeah. Or instead of bags, I am making washable cushion covers for those. As you saw, Buffy loves her cushion, and it would not be amiss to have some washable covers. The size is of course perfect because the broadness is the same as that one. Now two options. I can leave it like this, but it's going to fringe, but fold it under, so like this, on this. This also means that I don't have to cover up that, and it looks nice. I think I go for that one because it saves a little bit of energy, and as you see, it's already kind of folding that way also. Or you can cut it to shape and sew the lines so it doesn't fringe. But me being very easy going, not having a lot of energy, probably I will end up like this. Also, I'm going to wash them in the hopes that those sewing things will flatten out a little, or I will iron it a little bit so it looks better. So what we have is two cat cushions with washable covers, if I succeed, but I will get back to you. Well, as you can see, the kings were still there, but I have put the cushion cover at the same place as the kings are in the original cover cushion. And as you can see, it also comes out perfectly with the fold, because as you can see, this looks nicely, don't you think? Wonderful, chic, nothing wrong with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!